Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of setting up your own personal AWS Free Tier account. Whether you're new to cloud computing or just looking to explore AWS without breaking the bank, this tutorial will walk you through every step. How to create your personal AWS account. Requirements: an active email account, your telephone number, your billing information, ATM card/credit card/debit card. To create your account, follow the steps below. Type aws.amazon.com in your browser, and click on the Create Free Account. Next you enter a valid email address and create an account name and click on Verify Email Address. Check your specified email address for a verification code sent to your mail from AWS. Copy and paste the code into the box labeled Verification Code. Next you enter a password, confirm password and click Continue. Next select your AWS type, Personal. Fill in the correct information to validate your account and click Continue. Note: make sure to provide proper contact details and mobile number to get the verification code from AWS. Payment information. In this step, fill in your credit card/debit card info and billing address and click on Continue and click between Use My Contact Address or Use a New Address. You will be directed to the payment gateway to validate your payment information, and for your credit card verification, Amazon will charge the minimum price based on country. Usually $1. After that, you'll be led to an identity verification screen with your phone number already inserted. All you have to do now is choose between text message and voice call. Please provide a phone number that is valid. After completing the CAPTCHA, select Send SMS or Call Me Now, depending upon your selection. After clicking on Send SMS or Call Me Now, you will immediately receive a call or SMS from Amazon. For verification code, enter your code then click on Verify Code. Congratulations, your identity has been verified successfully. AWS Support offers a selection of plans to meet your business needs. Select the basic plan to get started. Once you completed all the above steps and processes, you'll get the confirmation page as above. Great, you can now log into your AWS account. Please click the link in the description to access this lesson on Motiva Logic Academy Learning Management System, where you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on lab and projects. While you're there, explore the full catalog of advanced hands-on courses and downloadable resources designed to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Be sure to like, subscribe, share and visit the link in the description. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss the future lessons. Thanks for watching.